Many people want to be healthy and look young these days. However, many are showing signs of aging earlier because they eat a lot of junk food. Sugars and refined grains make the body age faster, so we need to eat healthier foods if we want to slow down aging. Your diet can play a role in your anti-aging skincare routine. Eating foods that are high in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties may help slow down skin aging, but it won't make you wrinkle-free overnight. When considering how to eat for healthier or younger-looking skin, remember that it's a long-term process. It's never too late to start changing your diet, even if some permanent damage has been done to collagen, the protein that helps keep skin elastic. Collagen loss can occur due to aging, sun exposure, smoking, or pollution. Meanwhile, factors like genetics, stress, sleep, and how much water you drink can affect your skin, but the foods you eat can also make a difference. Although no single food can change the aging process, a generally healthy diet can help impact how we age. Here are 6 foods that can help protect your body and promote anti-aging, both inside and out. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest oils available. It's packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative damage caused by an excess of free radicals in the body. A diet rich in olive oil is associated with a reduced risk of several chronic diseases. Research indicates that individuals who incorporate higher amounts of olive oil into their meals tend to have a lower incidence of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Additionally, the consumption of olive oil may contribute to a decreased risk of certain types of cancer, making it a beneficial addition to a healthy eating pattern. In fact, a 2012 study found that people who consumed a diet high in monounsaturated fats from olive oil had a lower risk of severe skin aging. The researchers indicated that the anti-inflammatory properties of both monounsaturated fats and the antioxidants in olive oil likely contributed to this benefit. For the best health benefits, choose cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, as it is higher in antioxidants and less processed than oils extracted by other methods. You can add it to salads or use it as a dip. Enjoying this video? Hit subscribe to stay updated with essential health tips and the latest updates on our channel. If you stroll down any beauty aisle, you'll find avocado eye cream, sheet masks, and other skincare products highlighting the fruit's ability to moisturize the skin. Research suggests that eating avocados might also provide anti-aging benefits. A small study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that women who ate an avocado daily for 8 weeks experienced improved skin elasticity and firmness. The researchers indicated that foods rich in monounsaturated fats and the antioxidant carotenoids might help promote younger-looking skin. Carotenoids are natural pigments found in many fruits, vegetables, and fungi, and they act as antioxidants that can reduce damage from free radicals and oxidative stress. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can form as a byproduct of normal cell functions or due to environmental stressors like UV light or tobacco smoke. When present in high levels, free radicals can damage your cells. Antioxidants stabilize free radicals, preventing them from causing harm. You typically get these beneficial molecules from your diet, including sources like green tea. Green tea is particularly rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, such as epigallocatechin gallate, catechins, and gallic acid. These powerful compounds have been linked to a reduced risk of various health issues, including heart disease, neurological decline, and premature aging. Additionally, regular consumption of green tea may help lower the risk of other chronic diseases, making it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. The polyphenols in green tea can help protect your skin from external aging caused by environmental stressors such as sun exposure and pollution by neutralizing free radicals before they cause damage. Overall, a diet high in antioxidants is linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases and healthier skin. Drinking green tea is a great way to increase your antioxidant intake. Fatty fish is a highly nutritious food that promotes healthy skin. Its long-chain omega-3 fats are beneficial for heart health, inflammation, and many other issues. Research shows that omega-3 fatty acids contribute to a strong skin barrier and may help reduce inflammation that damages the skin. Salmon, a popular type of fatty fish, offers additional benefits for skin health. It contains a carotenoid antioxidant called astaxanthin, which gives salmon its pink color. In one study, participants with sun-damaged skin took a combination of astaxanthin and collagen for 12 weeks and saw significant improvements in skin elasticity and hydration. However, it's unclear whether these results were due to astaxanthin, collagen, or both. Finally, fish is a good source of selenium, a mineral that acts as an antioxidant and plays a role in DNA synthesis and repair. Adequate selenium levels may help reduce and prevent skin damage from UV light and lower the severity of skin conditions like psoriasis. Dark chocolate is a potent source of polyphenols, specifically flavonols, which serve as antioxidants in the body. These compounds are associated with several health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cognitive decline. Incorporating dark chocolate into a balanced diet may promote overall health while satisfying your sweet tooth. Additionally, a diet high in flavonols and other antioxidants may help protect the skin from sun damage and slow down the aging process. In a high-quality 24-week study, participants who consumed a flavanol-rich cocoa beverage saw significant improvements in skin elasticity and facial wrinkles compared to those in the control group. However, other studies have not found consistent benefits of dark chocolate for skin appearance or aging. Most vegetables are highly nutritious and low in calories. They contain antioxidants that help lower the risk of heart disease, cataracts, and certain cancers. Many vegetables are rich in carotenoids, such as beta-carotene and lycopene. Research suggests that a diet high in carotenoids may help protect the skin from UV rays, a major contributor to premature skin aging. Excellent sources of beta-carotene include carrots, pumpkin, and sweet potatoes. Incorporating these vibrant vegetables into your meals can not only enhance your diet, but also support skin health. Additionally, many vegetables are high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a key building block of the skin, but its production starts to decline after age 25. It's important to eat a variety of colorful vegetables, as each color represents different antioxidants that can benefit your skin and overall health. By incorporating these 6 incredible foods into your diet, you can nourish your body from the inside out, promoting youthful skin, improved energy levels, and overall vitality. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What foods do you love that help you feel youthful? Until next time, stay healthy and vibrant.